Focus, dude. Dude. Oh, he lives. Hey, dude!
Oh, what happened?
Oh, I saw the whole thing, dude. First you were all like, whoa! And then we were like, whoa! And then you were like, whoa.
What are you talking about?
You, Mini-Man, taking on the jellies. You got serious thrill issues, dude.
Oh.
Awesome.
Oh, my stomach.
Oh, man. Hey, no hurling on the shell, dude, okay? Just waxed it.
So, Mr. Turtle.
Whoa, dude. Mr. Turtle is my father. Name's Crush.
Crush? Really? Okay, Crush. Listen, I need to get to the East Australian Current. EAC.
Oh, dude. You're riding it, dude. Check it out. Okay, grab shell, dude!
Grab
Righteous! Righteous! Yeah! So, what brings you on this fine day to the EAC?
Well, Dory and I need to get to Sydney. Dory, is she all right?
A little blue. She is sub-level, dude.
Dory! Oh, Dory. I'm so sorry. This is all my fault. It's my fault.
29:30. Ready or not? Here I come. There you are. Let's do it again.
Oh my goodness!
Whoa, kill the motor, dude. Let us see what Squirt does flying solo.
Whoa! That was so cool! Hey, Dad, did you see that? Did you see me? Did you see what I did?
You so totally rock, Squirt! So give me some fin. Noggin. Dude. Oh, intro. Jellyman, offspring. Offspring, Jellyman.
Jellies? Sweet.
Totally.
Well, apparently I must have done something you all liked. Dudes.
You rock, dude!
Ow.
Curl away, my son. Oh, it's awesome, Jellyman. Little dudes are just eggs. We leave them on the beach to hatch, and then cuckoo-ca-choo, they find their way back to the big old blue.
All by themselves?
Sure.
But, dude, how do you know when they're ready?
Well, you never really know, but when they know, you'll know, you know? Oh.
Hey, look, everybody.
I know that dude! It's the Jelly Man!
Well, go on. Jump on him.
All right,
Are you playing? Where's your shoes?
I need to breathe.
Are you running away? Did we cross the jellyfish forest? Did it sting you?
One at a time.
Mr. Fish, did you die?
Sorry, I was a little vague on the details.
So where are you going?
Well, you see, my son was taken. My son was taken away from me.
No way.
What happened?
No, kids. I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, please!
Well, okay.